Creases in your shoes are inevitable. There is one method to drastically reduce those creases, making your shoes last longer, also keeping them looking their best. In this video, we'll be discussing the importance of shoe trees. Not just any shoe trees, cedar wood shoe trees. In my opinion, shoe trees are probably the best way to reduce creases in your shoes, helping them last for years to come. Some may think they aren't important and is an unnecessary purchase, but they are crucial in keeping the shape of your shoe as they age. Our feet sweat throughout the day, and with leather, it absorbs that moisture and holds on to it, causing it to crack over time. Cedar wood shoe trees specifically help with the elimination of that moisture and odor, leaving behind that fresh wooden smell. A good tip to remember is when that fresh cedar wood starts to smell, you can sand it lightly to bring it back to life. No need to go buy another pair. Plastic shoe trees are an option as well, but will not last quite as long and will not absorb any of that moisture. I would suggest using plastic shoe trees while traveling, just to maintain your shoe shape while they're in a suitcase or a bag. If you're investing your money anyways into a good pair of expensive shoes, you might as well spend a few more extra dollars for a good quality pair of shoe trees to help prolong the life of your sneakers, Oxfords, boots, etc. Your wallet will thank you later. For example, I've had my Thursday boots for about 3 years now, and I put my shoe tree in them after every wear. As you can see, they held up really nicely. Without any type of shoe tree holding the shape and form, I doubt they'll look anywhere near as good as they do now. Now, something that's very important is to look for shoe trees that has a rounded heel. The reason being that if you have one of those shoe trees with a narrow heel, the pressure won't spread evenly throughout the heel, causing deformities like warping and fitting issues, essentially ruining your shoes or causing unnecessary expenses to get it fixed. The cedar shoe trees I buy for all of my shoes are from Amazon and are fairly inexpensive and checks all of my boxes for cedar, quality, and a rounded heel. I will leave a link for them in the description box below. It's to the point now where I can't even buy any shoes without buying shoe trees first. I will refuse to wear a shoe without any type of shoe tree. I'm a very particular person in the upkeep of my things, especially my shoes. Let me know in the comments below if you use shoe trees for any of your shoes, and if so, what kind. Shoe trees are an essential purchase for any shoe lover looking to extend the life of their footwear. Maintaining your shoes will ensure that you are at your best at all times, because you just never know who you will run into or who you might meet. If you like the content in this video, please drop a like below and consider subscribing. Until next time.